Best Gold Investment Strategies for $1 million. Investing $1 million in gold offers diverse strategies to preserve wealth and manage economic uncertainty. Here are 10 effective ways to maximize your investment. 1. Physical gold bullion. Purchase gold bars or coins from trusted dealers for tangible asset security. 2. Gold ETFs. Invest in ETFs for liquidity and price tracking without physical storage hassles. 3. Gold mining stocks. Consider stocks of firms for potential growth and dividends, albeit with higher risk. 4. Gold futures and options. Use futures or options for leverage and speculative potential, requiring market expertise. 5. Gold mutual funds. Opt for diversified funds for professional management and risk spread. 6. Gold royalty and streaming companies. Invest in firms for exposure to gold revenues without mining risks. 7. Gold certificates. Purchase certificates for gold ownership without physical possession, trusting issuer integrity. 8. Digital gold. Use platforms for electronic gold trading with insured storage benefits. 9. Gold jewelry. Consider high-quality, antique pieces for potential appreciation and wearability. 10. Gold-backed cryptocurrencies. Explore tokens for combining gold stability with digital currency innovation. Diversifying across these strategies can help balance risk and reward in your gold investment portfolio. Conduct thorough research and seek professional advice to navigate effectively. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.